Good morning. Happy Thursday. Actually, Thursday. I love that for us. So, I am running a few minutes behind this morning. It's not my fault this time. I swear it. We are one of many places having pretty good storms last night. It's calmed down now, but we went most of the night with no power. And as soon as it was restored, I started getting ready, but it did put me a bit behind. I'm grateful it came back when it did, and grateful that we're still going live. So I'm definitely not going to complain, and I'm trying to get my rear in gear. Y'all are used to me being a couple minutes late. I don't think this is going to come as a huge shock. I'm just saying, I'm innocent. Halo. Alright. Anyways, I hope you're having an absolutely amazing morning. It is almost 6 a.m. Eastern time. I try to be live by 6:15 every day. Well, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. When I say every day are all of our days. We got to spend yesterday together. It was absolutely amazing. Had some gorgeous reveals, including the leopard, the gold and silver one. Oh, love it. Congrats, Scentsy. It's beautiful. So today we are low on OGs for sure. They are scheduled to arrive later today, but we got to get through this morning. So the good news is we're all set for the weekend. The downside is we don't have OGs for this morning. That's okay because we have a ton of inventory. We have stacks, we have resort wear, which I figure we've been revealing so much of this gorgeous resort wear, or excuse me, all these gorgeous stacks that we need more resort wear in the right colors to make sure that we have all of the good color coordination. So, because I know we all got some good pieces out of resort wear, but how many of you have a stack that you don't have the coordinating color in resort wear for? That's what I'm saying. So I figure it's a win-win. You guys get the pieces you need, and I make some room on my shelf. So I am running the resort coupon today, Resort 11. Save 11% with purchase of any resort wear in your reveal. So always remember when you order, if you have at least 3 items, you get to pick a revealed ring off the board. All kinds of different stuff going on as always, and we always have a great time. So speaking of freebies, I was waiting for this and I decided why not do the good morning video and an unboxing video all at the same time. Some of you heard me talking about this yesterday during the live. So I'm a pink zebra girly. In fact, I will be doing pink zebra soon personally. In the meantime, the go-to is Kelly Blaylock. She's amazing. But I have a very good friend, very, very close friend. She is a rep for Scentsy, and she was about to hit a rank, and, you know, we help friends. Not that anybody needed to twist my arm to get a bunch of smell goods. We love it. So this is a Scentsy haul. I'm going to put her link in my comment section. They have all kinds of really good deals right now. So not only can you get some awesome smell goods, but you can support Susie. She's absolutely amazing. I love you, dear heart. And in the meantime, because I decided to get me some smell goods, I decided to get you some smell goods. Let's see if it's got, it doesn't have a picture. Okay, so everybody knows I always do a drawing once a week to the winner gets a ring off the board. Of course, we draw for mystery hostess, a few other things. I don't think this is but anytime I do a drawing, everybody else, all the other entries go into an end of the month giveaway. I thought the flower came with it. So I got this it's flower oil, and it's Amazon Rain scented. So that is what I ordered. It had a cute picture of a flower in the thing, but whatever, you can put your own decoration on it if you win it. Either way, it smells so good. I mean, Amazon Rain, who doesn't like the sound of that? So that is for the end of month, for March giveaway. Whoever I draw at the end of the month is going to get this and a gorgeous tumbler. Some of you might have seen it yesterday. That is the end of the month giveaway for March. So I'm gonna finish getting ready. All this is just because I know you guys are like, what's the rest of the box? It's just oh, I was like, what is that? It is the flowers. See, I was right. It comes with a gorgeous dahlia. It's a white dahlia that sits on the top. It's so cute. That makes me very happy. So I just ordered myself a bunch of different scents of bars. So I'm going to get this put aside. I'm going to finish getting ready. Go get your coffee. Go get your slippers and your comfy blanket. I'm going to try, like I said, to be live as soon as I can. It probably is going to be a few minutes after 6:15 Eastern, but we get there when we do. I'm going to see you guys in a few.